Welcome to Aviation Assemble. The most powerful being in the universe, known as Tempestus, was controlling storms, creating dangerous weather patterns, and more importantly, taking advantage of airlines that use old paper-based processes and a lack of integrated data. The aviation heroes faced a significant challenge, and with a few of the heroes currently rostered as having some days off, humanity's last hope rests with Captain Sky, Thunder Pilot, and Aero Woman. However, they needed more than just superpowers. They required accurate data and efficiency. Therefore, Aero Woman installed a cutting-edge EFB application called Skybook, integrating weather data, interactive flight plans, and advanced filtered NOTAMs, and a streamlined flight phase, ensuring the heroes maintained ultra-accurate flight data. Although, with Tempestus plunging the world into chaos, the aviation heroes desperately needed to find the rest of their team. EFB to hand, Thunder Pilot and the crew set off trying to avoid the turbulent and dangerous skies in their Skyjet. During their quest, Captain Sky finds other features on the EFB, a document library for his Skyjet manuals, and bespoke digital forms. Now that's much less weight on the aircraft, and a superior tools section for quick and accurate calculations relating to weight and balance, last-minute changes, and centre of gravity. En route, they noticed the EFB showing critical NOTAMs at Miami International Airport, prompting all incoming flights to divert to an alternate airfield. It was in fact their team member, Jet Smash, causing the runways to close. He had lost control and was overwhelmed with stress due to poorly integrated dispatch systems. The team coordinated with local authorities to direct people to safety and calm Jet Smash down, so that he could support the team as an incredible dispatcher. Thunder Pilot zapped the computer that Jet Smash was using. Now he had full access to Skybook, solving his problems with a complete integrated dispatch system for managing all flight missions. Jet Smash could now automatically send briefing packs to the EFB, compiling comprehensive information including weather, NOTAMs, crew details, flight plans, load sheets, and more. And he was able to provide flight watch support, keeping ahead of any upcoming delays. He could also lock flight data in the event of any investigations. Later that day, Jet Smash synced a new document to the EFB. Aero Woman noticed a hidden message encrypted within it. The message was from Winged Widow. She had been trapped in a contract with a different EFB provider, but was having lots of issues with the software. She needed freeing quickly. Aero Woman configured Winged Widow's tablet to include a new Skybook EFB and managed to remove the other software. Winged Widow could now support the team as an EFB manager, providing training and updates for the crew. She also received ongoing Skybook customer service, ensuring any issues were resolved quickly. Before the next flight, Winged Widow showed the team updates to weight and balance tools. They were out of their flight envelope due to an unusual load in the bulk hold. It was Flight Arrow tied up behind the cargo. Once Flight Arrow was freed, he informed them that Tempestus was trying to disrupt his targets as Chief Financial Officer. Flight Arrow was exploring ways to automate the creation of reports and post-flight data taken from the EFB. Jet Smash showed Flight Arrow the Skybook reporting and analytics. He could now instantly access flight history and EFB data, with stats such as delay codes and on-time performance metrics, and the ability to compare aircraft fuel and route performance data, with up to 5 years stored flight history for easier auditing and downloadable reports. The team was now fully assembled, and many other invaluable aviation heroes were also providing support from the ground. However, in the meantime, Tempestus had created a massive apocalyptic storm, causing huge delays at every airport in the world. By using Skybook, the heroes gained a central point for integrated data and a streamlined EFB, enabling them to defeat Tempestus. This inspired other aviation heroes across the world to enhance their systems and streamline processes. Afterwards, the heroes met with Skyvision, who opened a multiverse portal showing a skybook customer-focused roadmap with words such as AID, enhanced flight watch, and much more. Aviation Assemble concludes with an invite to see how Skybook can better connect the workflow for your team of superheroes.